The Silver House Adventure, Exploring Gümüşhane. Sime, are you ready for our adventure to Gümüşhane? Asked Uncle Mite, adjusting his travel cap. Sime bounced with excitement. She loved finding hidden gems in Turkey. Ready, Uncle? Which way is the Silver House? Mite chuckled. Gümüşhane literally means silver house because of the ancient silver mines. It sits high in the Pontic Mountains, a meeting point of history and stunning nature. They drove until the city skyline appeared, nestled among green peaks. Their first stop was Zigana Mountain. Look how high we are, Sime. At 2,032 meters, this pass is famous for connecting the inland to the Black Sea coast. It's the perfect place for a hike. The air was crisp and cool. After the refreshing hike, they went underground. Welcome to Karaka Cave, Mite announced. Sime gasped. The cave was filled with sparkling stalactites and stalagmites that looked like frozen waterfalls. Mite explained, Karaka Cave is known for its pure air and dazzling formations. Experts say it took millions of years for these natural columns to form. Gümüşhane is not just mountains. It hides treasures beneath the earth, too. Back in the daylight, they drove to an ancient place. This is Süleymaniye, the historical settlement, said Mite. This was the heart of the city when the silver mines were booming long ago. Ruined stone walls rose up around them. Sime felt like she stepped back in time. So much history here. Did they really find a lot of silver? Mite nodded. Mining was Gümüşhane's identity. The name isn't just a nickname. It's a fact of the past, now preserved in these beautiful stone buildings. To celebrate their exploration, Mite bought a special treat. Time to try 2 Gümüşhane specialties, pastil and comb. They are dried fruit rolls and walnut sausages, super healthy and delicious energy boosts. As the day ended, they looked out over the province. We saw mountains, caves, and history, Sime summarized. It truly is a place of contrast. Mite smiled. That's Gümüşhane. High altitude, rich history, and the warmest people. Sime packed her small rock sample from Zigana. Thank you, Uncle Mite, for showing me the silver house. Mite gave her a hug. There's always more to see, Sime. Gümüşhane will be waiting for us next time.